All right, welcome everyone. We're here with AIP Portfolio Manager Jay Bala, and this is 3 Minutes with Jay. So Jay, just curious, what are you seeing currently in the markets?
I think there's been an element of euphoria in the markets with the Dow hitting 20,000. In this, I guess in the investment industry, we are saying this is sort of a late cycle play, meaning the markets are in a period of what you would call euphoria, which means no one really seems to find any risk in anything, and the market will continue to go up. The only problem with a period of euphoria is that euphoria eventually ends. And for us, because we've repositioned our clients heavily into cash, what you've had sort of a breakout of two markets. You've had the equity markets, which have continued to rally and in a period of euphoria. And then you've kind of got this segment of the market, which is the bond market, which has been selling off heavily. And that's, you've seen a lot of fear in the bond market. The bond market is it is a buyer's market in the bond market. And if you think about it long term, regardless of who you are and how much money you have, at the end of the day, your retirement portfolio is going to be, the vast majority is going to be bonds.
Right.
And we're in a market today where, AIP clients in particular, we've avoided the crash in the bond markets. So you're not losing any money there. You've got a lot of cash reserves. And I think that's exactly the position we want to be in, because we're at that position where we're saying, okay, look, we're going to step into the bond markets. We just need to know exactly when we want to do it.
It's kind of like you're waiting for your pitch.
Exactly. And I think that's what we had talked about sort of with the Warren Buffett explanation. I think you could explain it a little better than I can.
Yeah, he was just saying that he equates, investing to a batter who, if you want to bat 400, you wait for your pitch. If you want to bat less than that, you chase the ball all over the plate. So he prefers to just sit around and wait for that perfect pitch. Would you say that the big current event then right now that you're focused on is really what's happening in the bond market?
Absolutely. I think that far outweighs anything that's happening in the equity markets.
Where are you currently investing your money?
I've got about half the money in my hedge fund and half the money in cash reserves, waiting for sort of that perfect pitch, right?
Okay, thanks, Jay. And we will talk to you next week.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.